Hey guys, welcome to my Cravings channel where taste buds trigger. I'm your Pragna JH and today we're gonna make something special. I know it's lockdown and the heat is killing us inside. So I've decided a recipe, it's reverse Chocobar. Ice cream is everyone's craving. So let's see how do we do it. Come with me. So now let's separate the biscuits from its cream. Let's grind the biscuits in a blender and we're going to keep the cream separately. So now as you can see, the biscuits are blended well. Now we're going to mix it with some milk. We're going to make it more thin so that it becomes a good ice cream. Make sure there's no lumps. Add the milk slowly. So now we are going to place the ice cream sticks. You can even use a spoon if you want into this and keep it in the freezer for 2 hours. Now we have melted the cream in the microwave. So we have removed the ice cream from the refrigerator. Let's put in some hot cream on the top. So now the reverse Chocobar ice cream is ready to be served.